it doesn't matter what the hell I want it to be. The world's going to do the world, right? And I can either choose to like ignore it and turn into that dinosaur dick in the gutter smelling like.
What do you think about AI being like a finance guy? Are you all into like DataRails and what's that other one? Hey, Henry and stuff like that. Like, are you deep in the AI side of using it or not so much?
I'm not. It's not my wheelhouse. Like I'm not a techie sort of dude. So I'm not a early adopter of technologies, but like super aware of it. Right. And it's totally going to change how we do our business and what our deliverables are and stuff. We actually literally I just got a team account for Claude for us because I like for employee review stuff and checking for errors and managing all of our systems and processes. I'm on record multiple times on this show saying it, and I hope it's not the case, but I believe it'll be the case. I'm just waiting for the day where QuickBooks Online is not the thing anymore. It's still the thing.
Dude, I think it's getting pretty close, man. Sorry, I shouldn't say it like that. I don't mean next week, but I think that there's a lot of stuff coming in the future. One tool that I think everyone should look up, especially if you use Slack, this thing called Victor with a K, Viktor. It has been transformative in some of the stuff we live on Slack, our company. We got, still some over 100 employees. It's a lot to manage sometimes.
Yeah.
You can get this thing into channels, and it can backdate and run analyses for anyone that runs Fathom or Fireflies, records their calls.
Yeah.
You can feed it all your recordings from your team and give it rules to audit the calls, and it's kind of in there doing stuff. And we had a finance guy telling us about this. Have you heard of DataRails or no?
No.
That's a big one in that space right now that I think is just, when you talk about QuickBooks might not be. Yeah. Now, I think if anyone would have said 6 months ago, ChatGPT is not going to be the company, I think anyone that doesn't have a Claude account right now is crazy. If you're not getting on Claude and just having it get to know you a little bit better than it was before.
Don't mess around with it.
Yeah. So I digress. Sorry, I don't mean to go on an AI tangent, but
no, you can't avoid it. Frankly, my long-term hypothesis is I don't think it's going to be good for humankind. I think that it's going to get in the wrong hands. It's going to do some bad stuff. I think we all mean well. Hopefully we can rein it in and figure that out. If it were up to me, I would just go live in the woods. I would just hunt and fish and make all my own food and grow a big ass garden. But I run a friggin' bookkeeping business and I love it. And we'll see where that goes in the world we live in. But it's it doesn't matter what the hell I want it to be. The world's going to do the world, right? And I can either choose to ignore it and turn into that dinosaur dick in the gutter smelling like old wasted shit, or I can learn, I can adapt. I've done it 1,000 times before, right, throughout my life. And so there's no avoiding it. It's just trying to figure out how to use it as efficiently as possible, where to use it, when to use it, who to be the one using it. And it's just learning. It's just getting better. Hey, home service heroes, thank you guys so much for tuning into our home service happy hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something, and I sure as heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.